everyone, right now we'll be talking about Google Gemini Gems. How is Gems different from the normal AI chat? Very similar to ChatGPT's custom GPT, Gemini Gem is there to help you create your own AI assistant. As mentioned, all these things are general purpose. When we are talking to Gemini right now, it's for general purpose reasons. But what happens if you want to create something that follows your tone of voice, or you want to create something that is very specified to you and customized to you? And that's where Gem comes in. So if you click on settings here, you can see the word gems here. Alternatively, you might see the gems on the left side of your screen. It really depends on the UI UX. But this is how gems look like. When I click into this, you can build AI apps, a new kind of gem from Google Labs, or you can just build gems. So this is a gem manager. Some of you guys may have a little bit of a confusing UI UX. So when you click into gems, they might lead you to Opal. Google Opal. So there's one Google Opal, or alternatively Gem Manager, and that's where you want to get to. Gem Manager, you want to be able to create new gems. Yeah, you want to be able to create new gems. And let me just show you a gem that I've created. I'll be sharing you this link, and this is how it looks like. And this is how it looks like. Audrey Prompt Master. Let's refine and build powerful AI prompts using Audrey's prompt framework. Say hello to start. Just say hello. And so there are several options. There's mode 1, 2, 3, and 4. You can see what you want to do. You just need to tell it, let's just say I want mode 4. Just type mode 4. And you can see that this is a custom gem, and it's giving out all this information because I've tuned it such a way that it will provide all this information to you. But not just that, I also got it to do a few things. For example, because it's meant to be a prompt master, there is a way for you to just learn from the framework. So what happens if I put mode 1? Now it is sharing the frameworks here, and you can check out the frameworks here as well. Yeah, and what happens if I want to go to mode 2? So the purpose of mode 2 is to data dump. You can put in all the information that you have in your mind on how you want AI to assist you. You can just data dump, tell it what it wants, and it can refine your thoughts for you and ultimately create a prompt for you. Let's just do a quick example. You can see that it's asking questions because I told them to ask questions to clarify your thinking as well. So for number 1, I would just say that it is to buy a phone cover. And number 2, just to thank them, and I'll send it back. So I asked it to ask a total of 5 questions, at least 5 questions. So the why will be funny and fun. Why is funny and fun? Incentive. I think the next time, bring a friend and get 30% off. So one more question, is there a referral account? So it would be called Friend30. I think this sounds good. So what I like is that it is going to be clarifying your thought before it actually comes up with the end output. Perfect, so now they have the whole thing, and this is a markdown format which you can copy and paste, right? Copy this code, and as you chat with Gemini, you can paste this as your original prompt, right? So let's just take this new chat, and I can just paste it here and just put it here. That's what you do. Okay, and then it's going to give me this particular thing because I asked it to come up with a role. See, you're an expert e-commerce copywriter and email marketer with 10 years of experience, yada yada yada. So all these things are provided, and I'm just giving this to AI to look at it. So now let's just look at all the other modes here. So I have mode 3 as well. So if today you are learning how to write prompts from scratch, then that's perfect because this is a guided prompt builder. So they'll ask you one question at a time and you are supposed to fill it up. This is how a Gemini Gem works, and I have configured the Gemini Gem to do it in this manner. So it's really easy to create a Gemini Gem. All you need to do is just to tell AI what you want it to do. So now let's just take a look at how to build a Gemini Gem. So now this is my other account where I use it to create my Gemini Gems. So you can see that there's Audrey Prompt Master here, and I am going to be clicking on the edit button. Ta-da! And you can see that I put a name here. You can see the name reflects here, description reflects here as well, and the instructions here. As mentioned, you can chat with Gemini and tell it all the things that you have in mind, and Gemini can create the instructions for you. Yeah. So now, once you're done with that, you can see the instructions. It's what we call a system prompt, where these instructions will forever configure this Audrey prompt master, and it will not forget. It will not forget its instruction. So there's also default tool. For this, we don't really need any default tool per se, but you can see that you can choose any other tools. If it's meant to create all these things, you can choose all these tools. And the knowledge, I put some knowledge relating to me. For example, who is Audrey, right? And then that's where you can find this. Or what is the framework about? I put it in here. And I disabled knowledge citation because I don't see a need. Like hide knowledge attachment from showing up in GEM's responses. Yeah, you can actually add a lot of files. In this case, you can choose to add files from your Google Drive as well if you want to, right? And then that's all. The moment you're done here, the preview will be here and you can give it a try. So I say click hello, say hello to start. So hello, and it's going to come out. And I get to choose my mode 1, 2, 3, or 4. Which one do I want to get started with? Once you're happy with everything, you just need to click on update. Yeah, the moment you have clicked on update, all you need to do, if you want to share it with your friends and family, you can click the share button over here. And I just put everyone as a viewer. So now, there's a slight difference between custom GPT as well as Google Gemini Gems. Custom GPT allows you to put it on the GPT store. But Gemini Gems, it's more private and you need to share it with the person. So just keep that in mind. That's it.